Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss comprehensive question and answers and book exercise for Unit 1. First internal question is, how did the Rasul, peace be upon him, resolve the issue? यहाँ पे उस इशू की बात हो रही है जो ट्राइब्स के बीच में हुआ था ब्लैक स्टोन को लेके. So the answer to this question is, when the Kaaba was being constructed, there arose a dispute among the people regarding the black stone. Prophet peace be upon him advised the most equitable plan for the setting of the black stone without being biased. This is how Rasul peace be upon him resolved the issue and saved them from a tribal conflict. Moving on to next question, which is, why did the Quraysh think that the Rasul peace be upon him would favor them? Answer to this question is, once a Quraysh woman was found guilty of stealing, the Quraysh family asked Hazrat Usama bin Zayd radhiyallahu anha to intercede on her behalf. Hazrat Usama radhiyallahu anha requested the Rasul to forgive her. The Rasul very furiously said, Bani Israel was ruined because of this. They applied law to the poor and forgave the rich. Hence, Quraysh thought that the Rasul, peace be upon him, would favor them because they were rich. Third internal question is, why did non-Muslims trust the Rasul, peace be upon him? Answer, Rasul, peace be upon him, was not well known for his justice among Muslims only. Non-Muslims also knew him for his justice prevalence. This quality of him made Jews, who were his bitter enemies, bring their suits to him, and he decided their cases in accordance with the Jewish law. Fourth question is, what advice did the Rasul, peace be upon him, give to Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu anha? Answer, Prophet peace be upon him not only practiced and preached justice himself only, but also told his companions to remain just. It is reported by Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu anha that Allah's Rasul peace be upon him said to him, when two men come to you for judgment, never decide in favor of one without hearing the arguments of the other. It is then most likely that you will know the truth. Fifth internal question is, what does the word proclaimed mean? Answer is, proclaimed means to announce publicly, yani ऐलान करना. While Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him was on his deathbed, he proclaimed that if he owed something to someone or wronged any person or damaged anyone's property, that person might take revenge on him in this world.